Blizzard number 2.
Just having a little fun.
It's an adventure land out here. Happy sledding. Looking for Santa Claus. Antarctica / North Pole.